So, in case you have a Super 8 cartridge and your camera refuses to transport the film, this procedure in 99% of cases will enable the camera to transport the film again. Wind up the slack of film inside the cartridge by turning the spindle clockwise. So sometimes you will feel there is a lot of slack of film inside the cartridge, and at a certain point you will feel some tension. You may even go a little bit beyond that point, then you will see the film will move in this window by turning the spindle. Kodak does not recommend to do that, but it's obviously it's possible. Then pull out the film here from the cartridge for approximately 20 centimeter. Pull it from the top side here. Here is a new film coming, and this is the side where it's going to the take-up core. So pull approximately 20 centimeters out of the cartridge and then wind it back into the cartridge by turning the spindle clockwise until the film is flat again in this window. So that's it. And normally in 99% of cases, the camera will then be again willing and able to transport the film inside the cartridge properly. So good luck and happy shooting.